Hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I've got another product for you to check out. I can't really show it to you right here. I've got to take it downstairs in the kitchen because it is a big boy, and it is awesome because it is used for cooking. Check this out. Hey guys, like I said, it's down here in the kitchen. We're down here in the kitchen. We're checking out the All-clad. This thing is unbelievably good at what it does. We've had it in here. We're actually a few minutes over. I've got to actually do something to this beautiful meal that we're making right here. But what it does is it's a slow cooker, and it does it so well. We've had so many meals from this thing, and I love it. Usually I try to talk about what I don't like about it. And you know what? The only thing I could say that maybe I don't like about it, but there's no choice, is this thing's big. So it's kind of hard to store somewhere. But for the most part, everything else about this thing is just rock solid. And it works really, really well. So I've got to add something in here so you actually get to watch this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this lid off. It's a little bit warm, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and set that right there. So come on over, take a look at it. Take a look at it real quick. Look at that. Wow. Right? So we're going to go ahead and add some, one of the last portions of this to this meal here is going to add some coconut milk. And then we're going to go ahead and get that all in there and give her a good stir. You don't really have to stir too much because here's the deal. This crock pot is just going to simmer and mix all these ingredients up for you. But let me go ahead and give it a couple more mixes here. All right. So basically that is it. This is, just so you know, it's not the ceramic. This is the aluminum version. This is it in all its glory. It cooks great meals. If you're willing to be patient and run a long time and cook a very delicious meal. This buttered chicken, I believe is what it's called, meal, has chunks of chicken in it and they just melt. You just hit them with your spoon and they just fall apart. I love this meal. This is the second time we're having it this month and I'm so excited. I don't know if you could tell. But anyway, so this is the All-clad 7-quart slow cooker. Very slow. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I do appreciate your time. And I'm out.